Welcome to FutureTools. Envision a realm where you and AI design the future. Imagine this, a sleek, dark backdrop radiating neon blue, sparkling with data streams and intelligent lights. Your creativity ignites with a mesmerizing digital network, and our logo dazzles on-screen with a thrilling digital glitch effect. Savor the rhythm of advancement with futuristic synth melodies and minimalist beats crafting the atmosphere. Are you prepared to lead in this digital era? Welcome to FutureTools, the place where humans and AI collaboratively build the future. Don't merely adjust to change, become the catalyst for it. Join our dynamic community and unleash ideas that will elevate your projects. Are you prepared to lead in this digital era? Immerse yourself in the future of creation. Unearth the knowledge, tools, and inspiration to empower your innovation journey. Immerse yourself in the future of creation. Visit us online and embark on your path to building a brighter tomorrow. FutureTools. Create the future. Innovation. AI. Digital revolution.